My name is Justin Day. I'm the CEO and co-founder here at Cloud Gateway. We provide intelligent network connectivity and security services through technical, cultural, and commercial innovation. We've built a digital foundation which allows our customers to use technology to enable their businesses, which isn't afforded to them by traditional network service providers. Our background from the very moment that we started has been rich in public sector experience. Our first contract was with the Ministry of Justice, where we worked extensively on a digital prisons program, helping enabling the reduction of recidivism in prisoners specifically, and helping the HMPPS, the prisons and probation side of that business. We've moved from the Ministry of Justice into other areas of the public sector, not just in central government, but companies or business areas like DEFRA. We also work with areas in policing, and we've done a lot over the last few years in the very important area of health as well. Working in the public sector or with the public sector can be particularly challenging. It's incredibly broad. There's the central government, local government, police, health, many other areas. And trying to collate the right information and get the right understanding of exactly what's out there, how we can help, what the requirements are for those areas can be a particular challenge. Making sure that we have that information collated, that it's accurate, and that can be the best for us in order to drive the best for the public sector is incredibly important. Using a search engine like Google, of course, to try and collate many pieces of information from many different areas can be a challenge. Particularly when you're concerned about the integrity of that information or its accuracy. And so being able to use a tool like Tussell is exactly what we're looking for, in being able to have that single source of truth that allows us to bring all of that information together, which not only speeds up exactly what we're doing, makes it more efficient, but it is about driving those outcomes as positively as we can into our public sector clients. For us at Cloud Gateway, I think the importance comes from not just the integrity of information, but the reporting that we get, particularly on a day-to-day basis, about what is out there in the public sector. When is it coming to us? How is it coming to us? And it's these things that we're using on a daily basis to make sure that we've got our finger on the pulse of exactly where those public sector clients could be, looking at exactly what they want and making sure that we're ahead of the game so that we can be the most efficient that we can be, but also helping them with their journey as well. We use Tussell for lead generation quite extensively. There's specific information that's important to us, like who the key decision makers are. It's about understanding as well, not just when tenders or contracts are about to come up, the near side opportunities for the sort of world that we work in. It's important to understand where those longer term contracts lie. How can we help those potential clients in the future? How can we build towards understanding what their technology needs might be tomorrow, rather than trying to force them today? And in building those all the way through and understanding what the next few weeks, months, and years looks like, it gives us that pipeline generation for a much longer period, rather than just everything in the now. We would absolutely recommend Tussell. It's very quickly become embedded into our key business functions. As an SME, we really want to find every opportunity we can to try and get ahead of the game and stay ahead of the game. And it's really important to us that we're driving outcomes that ultimately, when it's the public sector, are going to be citizen outcomes or patient outcomes and really do affect the lives of real people.